So here are my yarns. I'll be using what we call the fade in yellow effect. Yeah, so I've made my pattern and I've also tied 2 yarns at the center nails. I have equal nails on this half and equal nails on this other half. So guys, this is the pattern that we want to create. Yeah, it has a fading yellow effect, though I did not get the exact effect that I wanted, and so I'll be redoing this pattern. But meanwhile, I do love it, and that's why I want to show you guys how I made it. So let's do it. So you will tie your yarns on these 2 center nails and have equal nails on both halves. The thread on one center nail, you stretch it to the other center nail, and this is normally the tricky part because you want to get that effect where on one side this thread should be on top of the other on one side and below the other on the other side. So starting is normally the tricky part, but if you get it, you'll get it all along. So just look carefully how I'm doing it. I'll be making mistake in this video so you can notice them, and also hope you'll not do the same mistake, and if you make them, you'll know how to go about it. Like here, I was supposed to stretch this thread to the next nail. Instead, I stretch it to the first center nail, and I had to correct that after I realized it. You see, now I've corrected that. I go it to the next nail so that this thread that is on the top nail will come above that thread and go below that thread on the other side. So that's where the trick is. Once you get it, you will be good to go. The funny part is that you'll be using both of your hands here. So there is no other way other than using both of your hands to get this effect. And because I want a spiral effect, remember, for a spiral effect, once you've done 5 nails, you will have to skip the 6th nail and go to the 7th nail. Do another 5 nails and skip the 6th nail. That is how you get the spiral effect. But this pattern is a bit tricky since we are working with 2 threads. There is one tied on the top center nail and another thread tied on the bottom center nail. The thread on the bottom center nail is the one that is going under on the left side and above on the right side. And as well, the thread that is on the top center nail is the one that is going above on the left side and under on the right side. So on both sides, the thread that is going under the other one is the one that you are going to use to skip the 6th nail. That is, on the right side, the thread that is on the top center nail is the one that you are going to use to skip the 6th nail. And on the left side, the thread that is on the bottom center nail is the one that you are going to skip the 6th nail. I hope that is clear. I'm trying very hard to explain it. It's very hard, but I'm trying my best. For the nail that is going on top of the other on both sides, you will not skip any nail that is on that side that is going on top. And that is how you're going to get the spiral effect with 2 threads. I know my explanation might not have been so clear, but just remember that the technique that you use while making a spiral art using 1 thread is the same technique that you are applying here, only that here you're working with 2 threads. And so the technique will be applying on both sides. That is the trick, the only trick. Please remember to give me your support by being a lifetime fan of my work, by hitting the subscribe button, also liking the video, and also sharing it. I appreciate so much.